Is CERN's colossal budget justified, or is it an extravagant expenditure for chasing mysterious new particles? This question has been stoking the coals of debate among scientists, politicians, and taxpayers alike. On one hand, there are those who ardently support CERN's budget. Supporters argue that the exploration of the subatomic world and the quest to understand the fundamental building blocks of the universe are pursuits well worth the investment. They point to CERN's history of groundbreaking discoveries, such as the Higgs Boson, and the technological advancements that have spun off from their research. For instance, the World Wide Web, a tool that has revolutionized communication and information sharing, was born at CERN. Supporters also highlight the importance of fostering international scientific collaboration and training the next generation of physicists. They argue that these benefits far exceed the cost. On the other hand, there are those who question the necessity of such a hefty budget allocation. Critics argue that the funds could be better utilized elsewhere, such as in healthcare, education, or environmental conservation. They contend that the pursuit of elusive particles and theoretical physics can seem detached from the realities and immediate challenges facing society. Furthermore, they question the frequency with which CERN announces the possibility of discovering new particles, only for these particles to remain elusive. Critics suggest that these announcements may be more about securing funding than about advancing scientific understanding. In conclusion, the controversy surrounding CERN's budget and research is far from settled. It's a nuanced debate that balances the value of scientific exploration and discovery against the practicalities of budget allocation and societal priorities. Regardless of where one stands, the question remains: is the chase for mysterious new particles a worthy investment or a costly diversion? If you found this discussion intriguing, do give a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more thought-provoking content. Remember, science is not just about answers, but also about asking the right questions. Until next time, keep questioning.